Guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's home and garden clearance buy one get one. Now what I am looking for is the canning jars, so I need to go wherever I see that I can get canning jars from, but they are buy one get one. Now that does not include the soil though. I do know that it doesn't include the soil. So I'm going to try to scout it out and see what I can find. Like these buy one get one, so they're $1 each. From here, plant food, buy one get one. The seed starter kits are $5, buy one get one. Awesome if you have a small set of seed starters to do. But if you have a lot to start, I don't use these. I use cups so that I can leave them in there until they're big enough to transplant on my own. Okay, this is what I was looking for, guys, right there. Canning jars. Get as many as you can. If you are a canner, I am a canner. I'm going to get as many as possible. So here are some balls. I want to know, I think those are $8 right there. So if so, I need to get 2 of them right there. Okay, hey guys, so this is how my cart look. This is what I'm getting. I'm getting the quart jars right here. The pint jars of the balls, 8 in the pint, 16 ounces. Let's see. We're gonna scan it. Okay, those are $8. And they're buy one get one free. So this 8-pack of ball jars are $4 each. Okay, now you know you can buy the little pieces to go on top, the ring and the top that seal the jar separately. Okay, if you're gonna buy a ball, I will buy the ball seals and the ball rings. Okay, if you're gonna buy another one, make sure you scan it. So this is, who is this? This is another company, but it's the brown box. Look like this. Let me scan it. And those are $10, and they are buy one get one free. And it's 12 of these, so they $5 each for 12 jars. I never got that price before. Now this is the blue set of the quartz. This is 4 in the box. 4, and it's this blue company right here, right there. So it's 4 in this box, and they're quart jars, and they're $6, and they are buy one get one free. So they $3 in each one of these. So I did pick that up. Let me see. I picked up more quart jars. What did I run out of this year? Making jelly. Because I make it and I send some to my uncle, I give some to my sister. I ran out of those, so I'm trying to think, do I want to come get some more of them? So there's some more quart jars, and these are basically for green beans, pickles, tomatoes, that type of stuff. But these are for jellies and jams, the smaller ones. This is for jelly too. Jellies and jams, pickled okra, the stuff that I pickle up in there. Okay, now I found mine at the top of these right here. That's where I found them at, loaded. So I don't know, I might come back if I need more. If my mom need more, I might come back. So I was scanning, guys. They did not have the tops to them and the rings, but if you go to any big box store, Walmart, I am actually gonna put in there Menards up by me, but I'm sure Home Depot you can get the tops to them. Now at the last place, these were included in there because I have 2 of these at home, and that's probably how I got them. I'm surprised that these were not, but I'm gonna go to another store and check it out and see what else was on clearance. Okay, buy one get one free. Now this deal also works on Saturday. I would do this on Saturday if you want a better deal, and use your any wallet, any wallet change. I actually have $36 in my wallet, so I'm gonna use my wallet for these on Saturday and stack up. But that's if they here. Now, if they here, if they not here, don't blame me, because that's a big leap. When these go on sale clearance, I grab them. So let's stop at one more store. My daughter just sent me back, guys. I forgot body butters and candles. We need those too. Now let me see if she got any smaller ones. So that means I'm on the hunt for these right here. Guys, what do you guys use your canning jars for? I use them for almost everything. I also make concentrate juice in the quarts for my kids, the concentrate juice, like cranberry juice, blueberry, strawberry. I make the concentrate one. What do you guys do with yours? I'm curious to know. But I'm back for our body butters, my body butters for my nail care, and candles for my daughter. As I am in another Dollar General, and look what I found. So this is what you need. Always have your extra lids and bands. And what I do is, if I do jellies or something, or body butters with my daughter, they're $6. Buy one, get one free. If they bring back the jar, and I put the lid on, then I give them a discount. Then we get them a discount in the shop. So that's how we've been doing that. We're gonna grab, those are $12 for 4. And here is the ball lid. That's the mouth lids. So these usually go bad. Let me scan them. $5. And buy one, get one. So I'm gonna buy 4 of those. Now I need to find the blue. Okay, so you see the True Living ones, which is by them. It's 12 lids. And let's see how cheap it is. Okay, theirs is $3.50. Buy one, get one. These work just as well. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest with you. They work just as well. See that? Same size, everything. Okay, guys, all your canning stuff is right here. You need the lids. Now, these are the ones to the blue ones. These are the ones to the little brown ones that you saw me getting, a little short 8-ounce jar. But all of the mouths are the same size. On the balls, the True Living, and who is this? Golden Harvest. Those also. So they all the same, guys. Guys, go canning. Bye. So my Dollar General transaction with all the things that I bought came up to $66. And look, guys, save $52. So go get those if you need them, guys. Bye.